Hi, welcome to Maverick channel. Okay, it is a beautiful evening, almost getting dark out here, and today we will be flying the protocol Kaptur GPS 2. It is a very fine drone. It has a lot of interesting features. Actually, I have done several reviews on this particular drone, so if you would please go back and get into my channel and you'll find those videos there. Let's see here. Let's turn it on. Okay, it is on, and I particularly like this drone as well, only because it flies almost, I say almost, like my AeroView, the Vivita AeroView video drone. So let's see right here what it does. Everything seems to be okay. All right, let me link it and let's go airborne. All right. It is drifting just a little bit, but it seems to have stabilized itself, as you can see. And also, one of the reasons why I like this drone is because you do not have to calibrate it every time you fly. Most often than not, it should be good to go. Even if you switch the batteries, it comes with a spare battery, and even if you switch it, most often than not, you do not need or have to calibrate it to go back airborne. So as you all can see, it is very stable. So let's just enjoy, let's just fly a little bit, just enjoy the evening and have some fun. Ooh-wee. Yep, very stable. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about, baby. Oh Lord. I think I was having a little too much fun right there, and for some reason I couldn't get it to turn around as quickly as I wanted. Got some parts that have come out there, so found one. The little knob that goes on top of the propeller. Actually, I'm missing two of them. Should be somewhere around here. Anyway, I'll come check it out in a little bit. I found one. I guess it should be somewhere around there, so I'm not gonna bother about that right now. I'm just gonna go back airborne. Oh yeah. And then thereafter I'll come after this flight, I'll come and check it out. It is a pretty smooth flyer, but as you can see, sometimes it doesn't react to command immediately like the AeroView, and for some reason it just came down, landed itself. Maybe the battery is low. I guess the battery is low. I thought I charged it Normally it will give anywhere between, depending on how you push it, anywhere between 8 and 12 minutes. I've had a day when it went up to 12 minutes flight, and that was pretty impressive right there. But right now it seems like the battery is dead, and good thing is it comes with 2 batteries like I earlier mentioned. So let me just switch it and go back airborne. Okay, I switched it already, and let's see what it does this time around. Oh yeah, okay. I missed the lights out in the first signal. That's one thing, guys. With this drone, it will drop off when the battery gets too low. It doesn't matter the height, it will not try to return to home. It will just fall off the sky. So when flying, you have to be very careful. You have to be very, very careful to make sure that you take note of its signal and then land it. I think I might test that out again with this battery. When it starts signaling, I'll let it fly and then hopefully be able to demonstrate how it falls off the sky. I will not go too high so that it doesn't it doesn't break anything, or I don't break anything. Yeah, but so far it's great. It's flying good. Actually, I just took this battery off the charger, so I'm not sure that it is charged 100%. So we might get maybe approximately 5-6 minutes flight with this second battery, but that's still good. I hope it is not dead. It just came down and landed itself again. I thought I had more more power in the battery than this. So let me try and see if it will take off again. Let me see here. Change the battery right, so let me turn this off and on, link it. Doesn't seem to do anything. Let me turn the drone on and off as well. Okay, on and off there. Oh yeah, this time around it took off. It is actually signaling low battery, so I guess it should fall off maybe after a minute or so. Let me not go too high. Oh, before I even said anything. Oh, I don't know if you noticed it, it just fell off the Oh Lord, man, I hope I didn't break anything because I wasn't ready for it. I thought maybe I would have like a minute of flight, but as you can see there, it just fell off. Oh la la. Okay, but everything seems to be fine, and yeah, so that's how this drone would do, or that's what this drone will do should you have a low battery. So it will not struggle to return back to home. It will just fall off from the sky. So guys, comment below, subscribe if you've not yet subscribed, and I'll see you on the next video. Thank you.